Welcome to our channel, where we explore the captivating world of investing in luxury real estate. If you're intrigued by opulent properties, prestigious locations, and the potential for high returns, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets to success in the luxury real estate market, sharing invaluable insights, strategies, and expert advice. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our content will empower you to make informed decisions and thrive in this exclusive niche. If you're as passionate about luxury real estate as we are, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates and expert guidance on this exciting investment journey. Number 1. Market research. Market research is the foundation of successful luxury real estate investing. It involves an in-depth analysis of local market dynamics, property values, and trends. Understanding the unique demands and preferences of high-net-worth buyers and tenants is crucial. Location plays a pivotal role, with prime areas and prestigious neighborhoods often commanding premium prices. Savvy investors meticulously assess market conditions and property potential before committing to high-value purchases, ensuring they have the financial resources and strategy needed for success. Whether seeking rental income or long-term appreciation, comprehensive market research guides decision-making in the competitive world of luxury real estate. Number 2. Location is key. Location is a paramount consideration in luxury real estate investment. Prime, prestigious areas with desirable features like proximity to amenities, renowned schools, low crime rates, and scenic views drive property values. A property's location can outweigh many other factors in the luxury market, making it a crucial determinant of investment success. Investors should thoroughly research and evaluate potential properties, assessing their surroundings and neighborhood amenities to gauge their appeal to high-net-worth individuals. An exceptional location can provide a strong foundation for long-term appreciation and attract affluent buyers or tenants in the luxury real estate market. Number 3. Due diligence. Due diligence is a critical step when investing in luxury real estate. This involves comprehensive research and verification to ensure a sound investment. Buyers should arrange property inspections, appraisals, and title checks to uncover any issues or potential pitfalls. It's essential to work with experienced professionals who can identify hidden problems and provide valuable insights. Due diligence helps investors make informed decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and ensure that the luxury property is a solid investment with clear legal and financial standing. Number 4. High acquisition costs. Investing in luxury real estate typically involves high acquisition costs. These properties come with substantial price tags, necessitating a significant upfront investment. Beyond the purchase price, investors should budget for potential renovation or upgrade costs to maintain or enhance the property's luxurious appeal. Ensuring you have the financial resources or access to financing options is crucial for successfully entering this market. Being prepared for the substantial initial outlay is essential to embarking on luxury real estate investment and maximizing its potential for long-term gains. Number 5. Property management. Property management is a key consideration when investing in luxury real estate. High-end properties often require top-tier maintenance and management to maintain their value and attract discerning tenants or buyers. Investors should either have a reliable property management plan in place or partner with professionals experienced in handling luxury assets. This entails regular upkeep, security, and attention to detail to meet the high expectations of the luxury market. Effective property management not only safeguards the property's value, but also enhances its desirability, contributing to successful long-term investment outcomes in the luxury real estate sector. Number 6. Rental income versus appreciation. Determining your investment strategy is paramount when delving into luxury real estate. Consider whether your primary goal is generating rental income or focusing on long-term appreciation. Luxury properties often command high rental rates, but they may also have higher vacancy rates and operating costs. For those looking at long-term gains, the potential for property value appreciation in prestigious locations can be a driving factor. Defining your strategy guides property selection, financing decisions, and overall investment planning, ensuring alignment with your specific financial objectives and risk tolerance in the luxury real estate market. Number 7. Understand your target market. Understanding your target market is crucial in luxury real estate investment. High net worth individuals have unique preferences and expectations when it comes to properties. This niche market seeks exclusivity, top quality amenities, and exceptional features. Tailoring your property and marketing strategy to cater to these demands is essential for success. This includes highlighting the property's luxurious attributes, emphasizing its value proposition, and offering exceptional services or amenities that appeal to affluent buyers or tenants. By thoroughly comprehending the mindset and desires of your target market, you can position your luxury real estate investment for maximum appeal and profitability. Number 8. Financing options. Financing options are an important aspect of luxury real estate investment. High-end properties often come with higher price tags, and securing financing can be more challenging due to stricter lender requirements. Investors should explore various financing avenues, which may include traditional mortgages, private lenders, or even partnerships. Be prepared to demonstrate strong financial stability and a solid credit history to secure favorable financing terms. Understanding the financing landscape and available options is crucial for acquiring and managing luxury real estate, as it directly impacts your ability to invest and could potentially influence your returns in this niche market. Number 9. Diversification. Diversification is a prudent strategy in luxury real estate investment. While this market can offer substantial returns, it's important not to put all your investments into luxury properties alone. Spreading your investment portfolio across various asset classes and sectors helps mitigate risk. This way, you're not overly reliant on the performance of a single luxury property or market. Diversification can provide stability and balance in your investment portfolio, reducing potential losses if the luxury real estate market experiences downturns. By wisely diversifying your investments, you can achieve a more resilient and balanced financial portfolio. Number 10. Legal and tax considerations. Legal and tax considerations are crucial aspects of luxury real estate investment. Laws and regulations governing high-value properties can be complex and vary by region or country. Consulting with legal and tax professionals who specialize in luxury real estate transactions is essential to navigating these complexities. They can help you understand local property laws, tax implications, and any restrictions on foreign ownership, if applicable. Properly addressing these legal and tax considerations ensures that your luxury real estate investment complies with regulations and minimizes potential liabilities, contributing to a successful and financially sound venture in this exclusive market. Number 11. Exit strategy. Having a clear exit strategy is paramount when investing in luxury real estate. Whether you plan to sell the property for a profit or hold it for the long term, knowing your exit plan guides your investment decisions. If your goal is short-term gains, consider factors such as market timing, property appreciation, and the potential for a quick resale. For long-term investors, a well-defined exit strategy might involve passing the property to heirs, converting it into an income-generating asset, or selling when certain conditions are met. A thought-out exit plan ensures you can capitalize on the value of your luxury real estate investment and aligns with your overall financial objectives. Number 12. Economic trends. Keep an eye on economic trends and factors that can impact the luxury real estate market. Economic conditions such as changes in interest rates, shifts in demand, and economic recessions can significantly influence the performance of luxury properties. High-end real estate is often more sensitive to economic fluctuations than other property types. Staying informed about economic indicators and market trends is essential for making informed investment decisions and adapting your strategy to market conditions. By proactively monitoring economic factors, you can better position your luxury real estate investments to navigate potential challenges and capitalize on opportunities in this niche market. As we conclude this insightful journey into investing in luxury real estate, remember that the path to success in this glamorous world comes with both opportunities and challenges. Stay motivated and focused on your investment goals. Seek out expert guidance, conduct thorough research, and diversify wisely. We'd love to hear about your experiences and questions, so please drop your thoughts in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Together, we'll continue to explore the exciting realm of luxury real estate investing. Thank you for being part of our community.